Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 37th lecture of rural marketing. And today's topic for discussion are Kisan Credit Cards, monitoring and controlling of rural credit by NABARD, and recovery of rural credit. So let's start. In previous lectures, we have seen the various sources through which the rural people or farmers can get the credit. In series of that one, another source of credit is Kisan Credit Card. So it is a scheme by Government of India which started in 1998, and the objective of this scheme is to provide short-term formal credit to the farmers, and it was created by NABARD. So, Card scheme was introduced to ensure that the credit requirements of the farmers in agriculture, fishery, and animal husbandry sectors to be met. And the government tried to help them by providing short-term loans and provide them with a credit limit to purchase equipment and their other expenses. And the best thing about this Kisan credit card is that the interest rates are quite low in compared to the commercial banks, and these interest rates are as low as 2%, and average it is almost 4%. And repayment also of loan, it is very easy. They have made the farmers can repay their loans depending on the harvesting period of their crop for which they have given loans. So no need to pay the loans until your crop is ready. Features and benefits of Kisan credit cards, if we will see. So basically, first benefit, it provides the short-term loans for the farmers to meet their requirement. Okay, and financial requirement and agriculture and those allied activities along with post-harvest expenses. It covers post-harvest expenses also. And investment credit farmers can get for agriculture requirement as and dairy animals, pump set, etc. Whatever they want for that investment credit they can get. And loan is up to 3 lakhs you can get from here, and you can get loan for marketing also. Insurance coverage for KCC scheme is holders under 50,000 in case of permanently disability or death, and a cover of 25,000 is given in case of any other risk. And eligible farmers can get saving accounts also in which they can get an attractive interest rate, and along with a smart card they can get a debit card they can get in addition to the Kisan credit card. And payment system is quite flexible and hassle free, and single credit facility is there all for all agriculture and ancillary requirement. There are assistance for purchase of fertilizers, seeds, etc. And credit is available for the period up to 3 years, and repayment can be made once the harvest season is over. And there is no collateral will be required for loan up to 1.60. Collateral means you need not to give any guarantee till the loan amount is 1.60 lakhs. So that is all about the Kisan credit card and its feature. It's very useful, and I hope one project is also there for you people for Kisan credit card. Next topic for today's discussion is monitoring and controlling the rural credit by NABARD. So a lot of discussion we have done in our previous lectures when we was discussing about NABARD and its features. So NABARD is an apex institution in the field of rural credit, and it does not directly deal with farmers and other rural people, but there are so many other cooperative banks, commercial banks, rural development banks are there who get grants from NABARD. And NABARD's role here is in the coordination of the functionality of different financial institutes, and it works those institutions who are working for expansion of rural credit and supply of the credit to agriculture and rural industries they are doing. Their performance is checked by NABARD, including their short term, medium, and long term refinancing is also done by NABARD. And the paid up capital of NABARD is wholly subscribed by the central government and RBI. Now see how this works. So NABARD is the topmost apex body under which state cooperative banks and state cooperative agriculture and rural development banks comes. Under your state cooperative banks, there are district cooperative banks and district central cooperative banks comes. And under these district cooperative banks, there are primary agriculture cooperative societies are there, and under district central cooperative banks there are again this primary agriculture cooperative societies are there. Okay, so the fund flows go through these routes. Another route is that the fund is going to the state cooperative agriculture and rural development banks, and from where the primary land development banks get funding. So that is the structure, and NABARD has control over the activities of different other institutions which comes under that. Now another topic come here, rural recovery of rural credit. So according to one data, the bad debt percentage of loan outstanding increased from 3.58 in 1980s to 4.2 in 1992 and declined thereafter. This all happened because of natural calamities, inadequate income generation, government policy of lending at subsidized rate of interest, waiving of loans on many occasions, political their agenda is there to waive off the loans for farmers. Okay, high transaction costs. Because of all these reasons, the NPAs become the NPAs has increased, and there are some uh, of the major factors. These are the some major factors behind the growth of overdues of the rural financing institute. So recovery sometimes became very difficult, as you see that a lot of farmers they are committing suicide because they are not able to repay the loans. So government need to take a what I will say balance approach so that the banks NPAs can be reduced as well as the farmers can get the benefit. So that is all for today's lecture, and with this slide recovery of rural credit, your fourth unit is also finished. In next lecture, I will start your last module. I hope you are understanding the concept. If you have any query, you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will solve your query there. Thank you so much for watching today's video.